All right, we are looking at a Capital Connoisseurian unit here, and we're just going to do a quick review highlighting some of the features that I prefer. As I pay attention to all details, I'm looking at these knobs, all metal knobs. They don't just paint on the temperature settings, they also etch them in, so you know 20 years down the line you're still going to be able to read those markings and they won't just rub off. As we study the burners themselves, every one of their burners is 25,000 BTU, and they're all also capable of getting down to a low enough temperature where they are going to simmer. You find a lot of cooktops these days that in order to simmer, you got to go to the smaller burner. Well, they've mastered the art of giving you the simmer and the 25,000 K on each and every burner on this cooktop. Very impressive. This particular model has the griddle option, although you can get barbecue section options as well. It is a dual fuel unit. As most people know, that means gas top electric oven. Electric oven is really preferable, but most chefs will tell you it's a very dry environment, so it can tend to dry out your meats more than a gas oven. So what Connoisseurian has done is they've given you a moisture mode so that you can actually cook with moisture, still having an electric oven. Also inside this guy, you have the big giant rotisserie, which you don't find in a lot of ovens these days. Very impressive feature from Capital. Very high quality ball bearing rollers for these drip trays. One of the things I like about this unit is the rack configuration can easily be modified. So this is a good roller system, but also we can change the elevation of our racks, or we can remove them completely depending on what you're cooking and what your needs are. And of course, we have this wonderful digital interface showing you all your different cooking modes that this unit is capable of. Of course, also a self-cleaning model, being that it is an electric oven. Contact kitchenfoundry.com for information and pricing on these Capital ovens. They're absolutely beautiful. Thanks for stopping by. Like and subscribe.